Why did you hit your sister, Max?
She said I could pitch. I never said that. Did so. I asked you before we left home, and you said, okay. I said, okay, let's go. Didn't hear you ask to pitch.
All right, niños.
Look out, Art! I got it! I got it!
It's yours, Max!
Ah!
I...
That was my ball!
Oh, my tail! You hurt my tail!
Are you okay, Ort?
I tried to let Max catch it, but he closed his eyes, and the ball bounced in front of him, and I wasn't even trying to get it, but it landed right in my arms, and then he kicked my tail!